Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews to help you make informed choices. Today, we are talking about the best Flymax Paint Marker 0.7 mm, a top-rated white acrylic permanent marker that is perfect for all your crafting needs. This pack of 6 markers is designed for precision, making it ideal for artists, crafters, and anyone looking to add a bit of creativity to their projects. The Flymax Paint Marker features a 0.7 mm extra fine tip, which provides amazing control for those intricate details and fine lines. Whether you're working on rock painting, ceramic, wood, metal, or even fabric, this marker is versatile enough to handle it all. It's great for creating fine artwork, labeling, or even personalizing your belongings. One of the best things about this product is its water-based acrylic ink, which is not only quick-drying but also non-toxic. It ensures that your projects stay vibrant and last long without the hassle of smudging. Plus, it conforms to ASTM D4236 and N71-3 safety standards, so you can be confident that it's safe to use on various surfaces. Using these markers is super easy. Just shake the marker well to mix the ink and press the tip a few times until the ink flows. Then, test it on paper, and you're ready to go. The ink flows smoothly, and the extra fine tip allows for great precision. These markers also work well on dark surfaces, providing opaque coverage that's vibrant and bold. The Flymax Paint Marker set is perfect for creating personalized gifts, DIY crafts, wedding decorations, and even custom art projects. Whether you're an experienced artist or just getting started with crafts, these markers are easy to use and will give your work a professional look. Don't forget, for permanent results on ceramics and glass, you can bake your projects at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour to make sure the design stays intact. These markers are durable, reliable, and guaranteed to elevate your artistic creations. So, if you're looking for a versatile, high-quality paint marker that's easy to use and works on multiple surfaces, the best Flymax Paint Marker 0.7 mm is an excellent choice for your next project. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews like this. Happy crafting!